Dear students, a very good morning to all. Today I am here to draw your attention towards the importance of 22nd April. 22nd April is observed as International Earth Day to every corner of the world. It is first time being celebrated by the efforts of Dennis Hayes on 22nd April 1970. So, the Earth Day 2020 have its specialty because it is the 50th anniversary year of the Earth Day. On this day, we draw attention of the peoples for the conservation of the nature and natural resources for the hospitable earth. As today in the modern world there is much emission of the carbon dioxide, which highly increases the levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and urbanization leads to pollution, leads to polluting the every corner and every habitat of the earth, which drastically affects the life of other organisms on the earth. For some species, it is a great challenge for their survival. So, for the ecological balance, we have to make the world hospitable for each species. So, it is the need of the hour to take well care of the anthropogenic activities for the survival of other species also on the planet Earth. If we do not do so the time comes, then the survival of humanity would be difficult on the planet. In this time, when the world is facing the drastic epidemic COVID-19, at this moment the humans are suffering, but nature is very happy, because in couple of months the level of carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and other pollutants in the atmosphere drops up to 50%. So, not going so far, taking the example of our near industrial area Ludhiana. So, I had seen an article in the newspaper that we are able to see Himalayas from Ludhiana, which is nearly 200 kilometers away from that location, and it will be possible only due to low pollution levels for the last 40 years. So, it is visible, means our environment is so clean after the shutting down of the industries. So, I am not just telling you the industries are not good, it is also have the great importance in the urbanization and development of country, but we should be concerned about the conservation of nature also. So, as I told, the 50th anniversary of the Earth Day 22nd April 2020 have the special theme, and the theme of the Earth Day 2020 is climate action. The climate action have a key movement for citizens, institutions and organization everywhere to demonstrate our shared demand for bold transformative changes. So, not taking much time, I just want to say you just conserve the nature. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a nice day.